I love beautiful things, but I know that my bank account is almost empty today.
Sarah, look at this designer bag. It is 40% off. It is perfect for you.
It is beautiful, but $300 is still a lot of money for me right now.
Oh, come on. We just got paid. You deserve a treat. Don't be so boring, Sarah.
Exactly. Let us go to the register before someone else grabs it. You will love it.
My heart is beating so fast. I know this is a bad idea for my money. If I buy this, I will not have enough money for my food next week.
Sarah, wait. I saw you looking at that price tag. You look very worried right now.
I am, Tom. I still have not paid my electricity bill for this month yet.
I understand. Many people feel this pressure.
But your peace of mind is worth more, Sarah.
But I do not want my friends to think that I am struggling with my money.
Don't listen to him. It is just one bag. Everyone has a little credit card debt.
Debt. Oh, the word sounds so heavy. I feel like I cannot breathe in this store. Think about the parties. Think about the photos. You will look so successful with this.
Does a bag make me successful? Or does having money in the bank make me successful?
True friends do not care about your bag, Sarah. They only care about you. Be honest.
She is not even looking at me. I am trying to impress someone who is busy. What do I even say, Tom? Do I just tell her that I am poor?
No. Say, it is not in my budget.
It sounds smart and very responsible.
That phrase is your power, Sarah. It means you are in control of your own money.
It is not in my budget. It feels strange to say. It feels too serious for me.
It is serious because you are a smart woman.
It is not in my budget. I am choosing to save my money for my future.
What are you two whispering about? Are you coming back to the beautiful bag now, Sarah?
Sophie, I have something to tell you. I have made a very important decision today.
A decision? Did you decide to buy 2 bags?
No, Sophie. I am not buying the bag. It is not in my budget right now.
Your budget?
Wow, Sarah, you sound so professional. I did not expect you to say that.
I am still your friend, Sophie.
Let's go grab a coffee instead. It's much cheaper than a designer bag.
I honestly did not know you were worried. I should probably look at my budget too.
Great idea, Sarah. And since you were so brave today, the coffee is my treat.
Thank you, Sophie. This is much better for my peace of mind and my wallet. I learned something big today. Being honest is much better than having a new bag.
I feel so much better now. This coffee costs $5, not $300 today.
You are right, Sarah. I spend too much money because I want people to like me. I like you for your heart, Sophie. I do not like you for your blue sweater. Thanks. That makes me feel better. I think I am going to save money now.
Good. We can practice together. We can say, it is not in my budget every day.
The sun is going down, and I still have all of my money in my purse.
You did a great job today. Many people find it very hard to say no.
I was so afraid. I thought people would judge me for not having enough money.
People who judge you are not your friends. Real friends respect your budget and your choices.
It is not in my budget. I will say it whenever I need to be free. I am making a plan. It is fun to see where my money goes now.
Budgeting is not about being poor. It is about being free to enjoy my life. I feel so light today. I am walking toward my future without any heavy debt.
You look different today, Sarah. You are walking with a very new kind of energy.
I am walking with freedom, Tom. I am not carrying any guilt in my pockets today.
Freedom is the best thing you can buy. And the best part is, it is free.
It is not in my budget. Those 4 words gave me my whole life back, Tom. The city looks so big, but I do not feel small anymore. I feel very strong tonight.
You should be proud. You changed a habit, and that is the hardest thing to do.
I am proud. I learned that my worth is not a price tag on a leather bag.
I wrote it down. It is not in my budget. Now, I will never forget it. Tonight, I am rich. I have my money, my friends, and my peace of mind today.
Every morning is a new chance to make good choices. I feel very light and happy.
You look like you have no worries at all today. That is the best way to live.
I am not worried because I am honest. Being honest with myself is my greatest treasure. I am ready for anything now. I know exactly what to say when things get difficult.
It is not in my budget. I am proud to say it. I am finally free. Hello, everyone. I am Elina. Did you enjoy Sarah's story about her big decision today? Sarah used a very powerful phrase. It is not in my budget. Let us practice it together. Repeat after me. It is not in my budget. Say it with strength. You can do it. Sometimes we want things, but we do not need them. This is an important secret. Try this phrase. I do not need this to be happy. It is very powerful. Budgeting is not about being poor. It is about making a smart plan for your future. Practice this phrase this week. I will see you in our next story. Goodbye, friends.